You are a single sperm who defeated millions of sperms in the race. Right? When ejaculation happens, millions of sperms release. Out of all millions of sperms, you defeated them and won the race. If not you, some other person will born. So you defeated all of them and you are born. So every single person living in this world is a successful guy. And also, hi friends, welcome to Prakesh Talks, and this is your Praveen Kishore alias Prakesh. How many of you believe that you will reborn? I don't think so. I don't believe it. So I want to live my life fully. That's why I'm doing it. I'm living my life fully now. So friends, we all have someone like maybe friend, a relative, or just someone in circle who have committed suicide, right? I do have few. Why people commit suicide? Mainly because of depression. See, depression can be caused by many ways. Maybe money loss, job loss, business loss, breakups, or anything. Because of that reason, people commit suicide. And depression is not a joke. You have to consult a doctor. Depression is a medical thing. They have to be treated by doctors. They have to get some medication like that. Don't neglect when you are depressed. See, some stages, when depressed, you want to hurt yourself, okay, or you want to jump away from building, or you want to take away your life. These kind of things will happen. So just remember, when you are depressed, you need to consult a doctor. He will give some medication and you will overcome that. You are not alone, bro. You are not alone. We are all there. At some point of time, everyone in this world want to commit suicide. But if you think away from that, like about your family, about your girlfriends or wife or children or anything, then you will overcome that. So whenever you feel depressed, just try to consult a doctor. Then you will overcome. Nowadays, kids are committing suicide. Kids, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, they are committing suicide because their parents are not giving mobiles to them. And their parents are scolding them. And they too have some breakups. When we are kids, we used to play in mud at that time. You are playing with mobile, we are playing in mud. And the main reason is also that only. We are so much addicted to online, and we are offline, playing in grounds with friends. We had a human touch. But nowadays kids, they don't have human touch. They are just addicted to online, sitting in front of computer, playing video games, watching in mobiles, these kind of things. Earlier in our school days, we have a games period. Every day we used to play sports. Nowadays, in many schools, they don't have grounds also. In our days, we had lots of plays in ground. We used to play cricket, basketball, volleyball, and many games. Nowadays, it's just residential. I saw many schools, okay, they are just residential building. They don't have any ground or anything. They are just going there, studying and coming. So what do you think? How can they meet someone and how can they know what exactly they are? If their mind is continuously focusing on study, and if they don't know what to do in life, it will happen. So parents need to be very careful. They need to take care of the children. See, it's not about marks, it's about their lives. What if he don't get a first rank? He will still live, right? If you scold him, or if he is much more stressed or depressed about ranks, definitely will commit suicide. Recently, because of these marks and everything, many students committed suicide. It's pitiful, right? And what do you want to do when you are depressed? many people, they don't know what to do when they're depressed. When I'm depressed, I try to go and meet my friends in offline, not online. Okay, just go meet them, have a heartful discussion, share your feelings, share your emotions, like that. Nowadays it's all online. Recently me too, like whenever friends' birthday is there, just we used to wish in WhatsApp, Facebook, like that. It's been ages, like meeting them and talking and having jokes, like that. Because of this technology, we are losing ourselves. Human touch is missing. We don't know where we are going, but some advantages are there, but many more disadvantages. So whenever you feel depressed, go and meet your friends personally. Have a discussion, share your thoughts, feelings, and have a good laughs, have good jokes. Then definitely you'll overcome it. So friends, it's better to make your friends know that you are with them than posting RIP after they are dead. Right? Yeah. If they're facing any problem or if you are having any stress or depression, just meet them, let them know you are there. Then they can drop their suicidal plan. If one single person dropped their suicidal plan because of you, then you've done a great work. I salute you. Really. Just remember how it feels in your heart when you did that thing. When someone dropped his suicidal plan because of you. It's a great thing, right? Yeah. And the major cause for this depression, suicidal thoughts is because how we measure success and failure. Really, how do you measure success and failure? Do you measure success with money, big house, cars, marriage, kids, jobs, business, top ranks? How? Rich people are committing suicide, poor people are committing suicide, married people are committing suicide, single people are committing suicide. It's all there. It's not about all these things. It's about happiness. Are you happy? You have to check whether you are happy or not. Because of this richness or cars, buildings, kids, marriages, it doesn't happen. It should be in your heart. How you measure success is the major role. It decides a lot. Everyone in this world is successful and a failure guy. No one in this world is not a successful person, and no one in this world is not a failure person. I will tell you one thing. You are a successful person. You, everyone in this world is a successful person. Why? Because you are born. Yeah. How you born? You are a single sperm who defeated millions of sperms in the race. Right? When ejaculation happens, millions of sperms release. Out of all millions of sperms, you defeated them and won the race. If not you, some other person will born. So you defeated all of them and you are born. So every single person living in this world is a successful guy. And also, if you are still breathing, you are a successful guy. Why? Because many people who are born at the same time as of you are died now. Many people. So you are still breathing. That means you are also a successful guy. See, if you know how to treat success and failure, then you will live a happy life. For example, my story. I am both a successful and a failure guy. I can call me as a suck fail. Don't Google it or look in dictionary. You don't find it, because it's just my own word. Suck fail. Success and failure. In every situation, I am both. It depends on how I take. I will give a few examples. I had many breakups. So, do I think I am a failure guy who don't have a relationships and have breakups? Or do you have to think I'm a successful guy to date multiple people? My friends say I'm lucky to date many people because they are stuck with only one person in their life for decades. And also I lost many jobs. So do you have to think I'm a failure guy of losing all jobs? Or I'm a successful guy who got chance to work in multiple domains and got lots of knowledge and experience and exposure. I think in different way. Like now I got a lot of experience and knowledge. And also I did lots of business and lost lots of money. So do I have to think I'm a failure guy who lost money, or I'm a successful guy who now know how to not do a business and I can write a book also? These are all parts of our lives, it depends upon how you treat it. I just overcome it. Like now nothing bothers me. If anything happens also, I'm ready. I know if today is not ours, tomorrow definitely be ours. So friends, in this world we need more failure stories now. We used to hear lots of success stories daily, how they succeeded at the last. But now at this point of time we need more failure stories. Like I said, every successful stories had a success at the end, but failure stories, they are still failures but they have hope. Like me, I'm a failure but I still have hope. I will succeed. So by promoting this, we can assure to lots of people that they are not alone. We are all with them. So I want to start a campaign. I am a failure, yet I have hope. So that they will know. Almost everyone is there. Failure and success stories plays a major role in our lives. Some person got success in 65 years of age, some person got success at 20 years of age. It's all matters. So I just want to start this campaign so that I want to make sure to all people who feel they are failure and they are depressed and want to commit suicide or do any harm to themselves. Guys, I am there with you. I am already there. I've seen so many failures in my life. I've seen lots of things in my life, and yet still I have hope. So friends, let's start this campaign. Each one of you, share your failure story. It does not need to end with a success. If you are still failure, if you have hope, then it gives lots of moral support to many people who are still in depression. So friends, this is my episode, and if you have anything, just let me know in comments so that I will reply you. And also, please don't take away your life. Your life is very precious. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will make sure that my next video will be much more entertaining to you. Until then, this is your Praveen Kishore signing off. Bye bye.